Picture this. You're standing outside during your lunch break, cigarette in hand, taking a long drag. You've told yourself 1,000 times that this would be your last cigarette. But here you are again. Deep down, you've seen the warning signs and you know that it's dangerous. You've seen the shortness of breath and also the concerns expressed by your loved ones. If this scenario sounds familiar, then this episode is for you. Today, we're tackling one of the hardest yet most life changing and challenging situations: quitting smoking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Neuromonk, your go to source for health insights. This is Dr. Apaji Rai, and today we'll be discussing about quitting smoking. We'll talk about why it's worth quitting, the hurdles you'll face, and most importantly, a clear, actionable steps that you can take to be successful in this endeavor. Before we jump into the steps, let's get clear on why quitting smoking is so important. Every cigarette smoked damages the lungs, the heart, and even the brain. Smoking increases your risk of diseases like cancer, heart disease, and stroke. But it's not just the long term effects. Smokers often deal with short term daily problems like bad breath, decreased stamina, and even reduced libido. They also have frequent coughing. Here's the good news: it's never too late to quit. Within 20 minutes of quitting smoking, there is a reduction in heart rate and blood pressure. Within 24 hours, the lungs start clearing out mucus, and in 1 year, the risk of heart disease reduces to a half. Quitting smoking is one of the best gifts you can give yourself and your loved ones. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Quitting is hard. Why? Nicotine addiction. Nicotine is highly addictive and it makes your body crave for it when it's not present. Habits and routines. Smoking often becomes associated with daily rituals like morning coffee or breaks at work. Stress relief. Many people turn to cigarette smoking often to overcome or cope with stress and boredom. Now, understanding these challenges is the first step in overcoming them. Now, let's get to the actionable steps you can take to quit smoking for good. Number one, set a quit date. Pick a date in the next 2 weeks to quit. This gives you time to prepare without losing the momentum. Mark it on your calendar and treat it like a personal milestone. Number two, understand your triggers. Pay close attention to when and why you smoke. Is it during your breaks at work, when you're stressed, or while drinking coffee or alcohol? Once you get an idea of when you crave for smoking, you can start planning alternatives. So, for example, if you smoke during coffee breaks, maybe try switching to tea or going for a short walk. If stress triggers you, then try to practice meditation or yoga or deep breathing. This can help you for overall health, in fact. Number three, you can use nicotine replacement therapy. Products like nicotine gum, patches, or lozenges and inhalers can help reduce withdrawal symptoms. These tools provide a lower, controlled dose of nicotine to help you wean off of it gradually. Talk to your doctor about which options is best for you. Find a support system. Quitting smoking is easier when you have a support system. Share it with your friends and family and ask them to hold you accountable. Consider joining a support group or using a quit smoking app to help you to connect with others on the same journey. And number five, replace smoking with healthier habits. Smoking often fills gaps in your routine. Replace it with something healthier, like, for example, chewing sugar free gum or snacking on carrot sticks. Taking short walks or stretching during breaks can also help. Drinking water every time when you feel like craving for a cigarette also helps. Number six, prepare for cravings and slips. Cravings don't last forever. They usually peak after a few minutes. Try these tactics to ride them out. Delay. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before acting on the urge. Distract. Keep your hands and mind busy when you get these cravings, like knitting or playing a quick phone game. Drink water. It helps reduce cravings and keeps you well hydrated. So, and if you slip up and smoke, don't beat yourself up. Treat it as a learning moment, not a failure. Think about what triggered it and plan how to handle it the next time. Let's move on to frequently asked questions about quitting smoking. Let's tackle a few common ones. What about weight gain? It's true that some people gain weight after quitting smoking, but staying active and eating healthy snacks can help. Remember, quitting smoking has more far reaching health benefits than a few pounds of weight. Another question is, how long do cravings last? Most cravings only last a few minutes and they become less frequent after the first few weeks of quitting smoking. So it gets easier. What if I've tried and failed before? That's okay. Most smokers try multiple times before they succeed. Each attempt teaches you something new. The key is to keep going. Quitting smoking isn't just about breaking a habit, it's about taking back control of your health, life, and freedom. The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards for better health, more energy, and freedom from addiction are worth every effort. Take it one step at a time. Start by setting a quick date, understanding your triggers, and reaching out for support. And remember, you're not alone. Millions of people have tried quitting smoking and have been successful, and so can you. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you know someone who's trying to quit smoking, share this with them. They might need a little bit of extra encouragement in this journey. Until next time, stay strong, stay connected, and take that first step towards a healthier you. This is Neuromonk signing off. Take care. You got this.